Hey Sonia. Do you want to be my partner for the class project?
Sure, Jenny. I'm glad you asked me. I don't have a partner.
Do you want to meet after school and work on it together?
I can't today. It's my grandmother's 80th birthday and we're taking her out to dinner. How about tomorrow?
I can't tomorrow. I have soccer practice after school. I can meet on Thursday.
I can meet on Thursday too. Do you want to come to my house?
Sure. I'll ask my mom tonight.
Okay. We can walk together. My house is very close to school.
Should we start on the project before Thursday?
That sounds like a good plan.
I can work on the written portion. Do you want to do the pictures?
Yeah. I'm pretty good at drawing.
I know. I've seen your drawings before. You are very talented.
Thanks. My parents are artists. They taught me how to draw at an early age.
That's nice. I wish I knew how to draw well.
I can teach you.
Okay. But we better finish the project first.
You're right. This is going to be fun. We make a good team.